Hey y'all, it's Danny with Escape Powersports and welcome to another ATV maintenance video. Today we're going to be showing you how to change the brakes on your Can-Am Atv, whether it be a Renegade or an Outlander.
First, let's get the wheel out of the way with its four 17mm lug nuts. And I like to cover the brake lever with anything to remind me not to touch it while the caliper's off. Now we need to get the pin out that holds the brake pads in place. The pin is held in with this small clip. I find it easier to punch the pin out now with the caliper holding it still. And don't be discouraged if it doesn't punch out first hit. Just make sure the clip is out and you're punching it in towards the center of the bike. Now we can get the caliper off with these two 15mm bolts. When we slide it off the rotor, our pads will just fall right out. To make room for our new pads, we'll need to push the two caliper pistons back in. Both pistons need to be pushed in at the same time. Now, I've seen guys do this successfully with pliers and even their bare hands, but I'm not really strong enough for all that, so I find the easiest way to do it is to slide the shorter of the two old brake pads back into place and use a seat clamp to press the pistons all the way in evenly. There's also different part numbers for brakes on the left and the right side of these machines, so I like to line up the old ones that just came off to see which box to use. Now we can slide in our new pads with the shorter of the two on the inside, making sure to line up the holes with the pin. We'll want to make sure there's enough room between the pads for the rotor so the caliper goes back on smoothly. Now we just slide the caliper back on and secure it with the two 15mm bolts. This makes punching the pin back in from the inside easier. I'll know the pin's completely in place when I can see the small hole to secure it with the clip. Now just throw your tire back on and you've got one down and three to go. And on these Gen 2s, it'll be the same procedure for all four corners. The only difference I noticed is on the back sets, the pin holding in the pads is on the bottom.
So that's all there is to changing the brakes on your Can-Am Atv. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up so I know we're on the right track. I got about 6 more sets to do, so I'll see y'all on the trails.